5 simple exercises to burn belly fat fast at home. You won't lose body fat just by doing the most effective and proven exercises. Belly fat is much harder to burn. In fact, studies show nearly 80% of people struggle and fail to reduce it. Why? Because even if you're doing the right exercises, performing them in the wrong order or for the wrong duration can sabotage your progress. Today, we're not only sharing the most effective exercises for burning belly fat, we've also designed a quick 3 to 4 minute workout routine using these simple moves to help you burn stubborn belly fat and boost overall fat loss faster than you think. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could 3x your fat-burning results compared to standard routines. Do this workout daily, and you won't believe the transformation. Exercise number 1, burpees. Let's do this exercise for the next 40 seconds. Burpees are a full-body workout that's highly effective for burning fat, but they can be tough, especially if you're new to them. Practicing burpees regularly will gradually build your strength and stamina, even doing just a few each day. Try to aim for more than 7 burpees in these 40 seconds. This exercise is excellent for engaging most of your major muscle groups, helping you strengthen both your upper and lower body effectively. Wonderful! You're doing amazingly. Fantastic. Exercise number 2, leg raises. For the next 40 seconds, we'll focus on this movement. Ready? If you can't do this exercise for 40 seconds, lower down to any amount you can do and slowly build yourself up. Leg raises focus on your abs, obliques, lower back, and thighs. They strengthen and define your core, especially the hard-to-tone lower abs. They help with weight loss by increasing lean muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism over time. You're doing amazing work. Good job. Exercise number 3, high knees. We've got 40 seconds on the timer. Ready? High knees work your core, quadriceps, hip flexors, hamstrings, and glutes. This is an effective exercise for burning body fat. It creates a strong calorie-burning effect by quickly increasing your heart rate and working multiple muscle groups together. Almost there. Keep pushing with focus and determination. Perfect. Exercise number 4, squats. Another 40 seconds. Let's get started. Ready? If this workout feels too tough for you, take a 10-second break between each exercise when needed. Squats are a highly effective full-body exercise that builds strength and muscle in your lower body. By developing lean muscle in your legs and glutes, they boost your metabolism at rest, helping you to shrink your midsection and burn more calories all day. Wonderful! You're doing amazingly. And great work! Exercise number 5, elbow plank. Final 40 seconds. Ready? The core, shoulders, chest, and back are the main muscles worked during an elbow plank. This exercise helps build endurance and stability throughout your midsection. By increasing muscle mass in your abs and back, planks boost your metabolism at rest, which aids in long-term fat loss. You got this. Final seconds on the clock. And we're done. Great job completing the workout. Now, here's a bonus tip for you. Take a glass of hot water, add 4 cloves, squeeze in the juice of a lemon, and stir in a tablespoon of honey. Mix it well and enjoy. The lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps lower cortisol levels, a hormone linked to belly fat. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound that reduces inflammation and improves insulin sensitivity. Imbalanced insulin levels promote fat storage. Together, they create a mild thermogenic effect, acting like a mini internal furnace to burn calories more efficiently. Drink this daily, ideally in the morning or before workouts, to boost metabolism and accelerate fat loss. Plus, it supports skin and eye health, thanks to cloves' antioxidants and lemon's vitamin C. For best results, pair it with a balanced diet. If you enjoyed today's workout, drop a comment below. Have you tried this drink before? Share your thoughts. For more quick routines, don't forget to like, share with friends, and subscribe to stay motivated. Thank you for sweating it out with me today.